What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
What's up, y'all? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another gardening adventure. Y'all, I'm excited. I am super excited. We have so much growth and we're getting ready to have vegetables and fruit, y'all. I've got to show y'all. We've got flowers. Y'all, I'm just so excited. I am so excited. Every time I come out here, every day I come out here in the morning, it's something new going on. It's moving so fast, y'all. These vlogs, y'all, like, I'm trying to keep y'all up with these vlogs, but I think what I'm gonna have to start doing is just like combining them, because I'm telling y'all, every day when I come out here, something new is going on. So let me turn y'all around. Let me show y'all. I'm getting ready to make dinner, so this is going to be a quick one. But I just want to show y'all the flowers. I want to show you the vegetables. I'm getting ready to harvest some more mesclun for dinner, so I could cook with that, y'all. We got so much growth going on. Just check it out. Alright, so the flower, like, look at the petunias. I just put them in there, and they weren't even, all of them. Look at the red ones. Everybody is just sprouting. Marigolds are getting super tall. Y'all, flowers all over the watermelon. All over. Look. There. More forming down here. This vine is trying to go out of the fence. Okay. More flowers up in here. They're closed up right now, but you can see the bulbs and the balls. You see them. Look, that vine is trying to go that way. I'm going to have to train him to come this way. And look at this one. Look at Rizzo. She's getting ready to get some buds coming on. You see, look at, that's a small one right there. They're all, everybody's growing. Everybody is growing. Look at the collards. Cucumber Central. Okay? Look, flowers, vegetable, zucchini right there, first zucchini. Okay, this is another zucchini. Look how big that leaf is, y'all. Look at my hand. Look. It's bigger than my hand. Okay, bigger than my hand. Y'all, I'm gonna have to move that one. Can't stay there. I need to put a cage around it or something. I don't know. Look at the corn. Look how tall the corn is. It's about tall as the thing that I put in there. The decoration. Can you see? Look, the decoration right there. The tomato, that Roma tomato. I'm gonna have to put a cage over that. I know, because I know those grow crazy and wild and big. And I have my one cage there. And I have this trellis thing that I got from that estate sale. And I have two other small trellises over there. But I'm going to have to put up my gardening fence thing that I said that I was going to use as a trellis. I'm going to have to get ready to set that up, because look at this. And let me show y'all the lettuce and stuff in there. I had planted some new lettuce, and you can see there's a new pot in there. That brown pot right there, that's like a big lettuce, like a salad bowl lettuce thing that I did. And some more lettuce. You can see from here that they're sprouting up. But let's take a walk over there and go check that out real quick, because I need to. Oh man, I forgot my bowl. I'm gonna have to go back inside and get my bowl so I could clip some of this mesclun off. All right, y'all. Dropping stuff. Hold on. All right, y'all, look. See? This is like a big container. So we've got burpee bib, we've got mesclun, and then I sprinkled some more butter crunch in here, and I think some more burpee bib as well. This right here, some more burpee bib, and the mescaline that's finally coming up. The Black Simpson still is not coming up. I don't know, I'll be struggling with that one. I don't know, maybe it's the seed pack itself. I don't know, but I'm struggling with that Black Seed Simpson. Anyway, here's some more butter crunch. This was just supposed to be a whole thing of butter crunch, because you know what, that butter crunch just sounds so good. It just sounds like it's just going to be so delicious. And so we just planted a bunch of it, and because we eat salad a lot, we like salad. So that's more butter crunch and some romaine over there. Hopefully the romaine will sprout, even though that kind of looks like the burpee bib right there. I'm not sure what's going on there, but we'll see. And then here's the mescaline that I'm gonna harvest in just a moment. I have to go back and get my bowl, but just take a pan at everything. I'm not gonna name everything right now. This guy down here though, we're gonna let that go. That spinach is just bolted and just, it's not doing anything. So we're gonna remove that bottom planter and get rid of that, but everything else in here is doing good. So, except for lemon balm too. I'm struggling with my lemon balm. Okay. And this needs some water, and then the echinacea hasn't sprouted yet, and the strawberries haven't sprouted yet either, y'all. I'm just like about to give up on the strawberries. But the celery finally sprouted. I think I told y'all that in a previous vlog. Where is it? There's some celery there, and then I had some more somewhere else. Oh, it's over here. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, that is everything. Yeah, that's the latest update, y'all. We have flowers and we have vegetables, y'all, and it's just so many. Like, I can see the buds. Oh, my bad, the bugs are trying to get me. I can see the buds of where all the zucchini is going to be. I'm going to show y'all too real quick, because this is a different angle. You couldn't really tell. But yeah, from this angle, you can really tell for both plants. And I'm definitely going to have to move one of them, like I said, because I'm going to have to pollinate them. And I don't want to cross-pollinate them and la la la. So, look, I'm all out of frame. Let me put this down. So, let me turn y'all around so y'all can see real quick. Alright, look at all of that. Look at that. And that's my Ford Hook zucchini. This is the one with the big leaves, okay? And then look, that's the other one over there with the zucchini on it. Look at all of those things getting ready to bud up. Look at that. So y'all, we're about to have some zucchini, y'all. Yeah, you see homeboy is about to shade my collard green. I'm gonna have to probably take that leaf off, because it's about to be shading over my stuff. But yeah, all of this growth. Who knew I could do this? If I can do this, you can do this. This is lemon. I'm gonna have lemon trees and an apple tree. Look at my apple, it's doing well. Alright, y'all, so let me go, because these bugs out here trying to eat me up. I took a shower and I have on smell good stuff, and they just trying to eat me up. But yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna harvest my mescaline. I'll just show y'all a picture of it. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy. If y'all have any questions, leave them down below. Any comments, leave them down below. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.